Okay, now BJT stands for bipolar junction transistor. So I have it's supposed to be a railroad here, and it crosses, making a junction. Now the railroad tracks are squiggly because bipolar is going back and forth. So that to show that it's bipolar and a junction because they cross each other. Now transistor is a semiconductor that amplify or switch electronic signals and power. So keywords here are switch and power. So when trains come down the railroad track, the transistor, which is here, this is what a transistor looks like, a box with like wires coming out of it, will switch which way it's going and do it with power. Okay, so think about a water faucet. The more you turn, the more water comes out. Here you cannot turn the power, but they have a device like if you put some current here, the more current you put and the current goes this way. So the more current you put in here, the more current goes out this way. This can go in very small current and have a big current go out. If you want to use a very small current, maybe 1 mA, to control a big 1 amp current, let's say a resistor, it can't use the small current to drive the diode. Okay. But it can drive the BJT, which is this. You can give a little bit of power at the start and it still goes to the ground. I ran out of space here, but imagine this continues into the ground. That's the ground symbol. So say again, you can give a little bit of power at the start and it still goes to the ground. So start right here, go here, and I'll go right into the ground. Okay, so same thing drawn again. Let's say you give 1 volt, and the BJT takes 2 volts. 2 volts. The LED can only go one way. This is an LED symbol. They only go one way, only through here. As soon as I give current at the start, right here, then power can flow through. The BJT will line up with the LED. That's always how it goes. They do not put the switch here. They do not put it here to switch it on. They use this as a switch because it also depends on how much current you apply at the start. It can be brighter or dimmer. BJT use current to control current.